I've removed the lid of the high voltage junction box just so that it's easy to see without any reflections. So just to walk you through what is going on in here. On the right hand side here we've got the negative contactor. Here we've got the smaller pre-charge contactor, and here the main contactor. So what happens is when the ignition is switched on, the negative contactor closes, as does the pre-charge contactor. High voltage on the negative side can flow straight through from the battery to the motor, but on the pre-charge side it needs to go through these resistors and then comes back onto the other side of the main contactor. Now once pre-charge is completed, we can then start the car, which will then close this main contactor, allowing high voltage to flow directly through the fuse, and at the same time it will open the pre-charge contactor, so that won't be used when the car is in operation mode. The fuse is a Tesla Model S fuse. I think it was out of a 2014 Tesla Model S. I think it's rated at 400 amps continuous, but can take 1000 amps peak. I've certainly put 800-900 amps through it and it's been absolutely fine. On the bottom right hand side there you've got these two fuses. They're actually solar fuses, high voltage solar fuses. The right hand side is for the DC to DC, and the one on the left is for the charger. The charger, which is a Tesla Gen 2 charger and mounted in the front of the car, in the front. So there we have it. Pretty compact engine bay. You can see the motor looming in down there. Of course it's mounted backwards. It wouldn't fit in the 986 Boxster mounted in the regular orientation, so the motor is effectively running in reverse, and the only thing you need to do on that front is to fit a reverse drive oil pump so it can effectively lubricate the transmission or the gear sets running in the opposite direction. So there we are, fairly compact setup inside the engine bay of the 986 Boxster, and yeah, really enjoying driving the car. I use it every day, drive it to the office. It's around a 50-mile round trip, I guess, and the car can easily manage that range-wise, even with these just 18 kilowatt-hour Chevy Volt batteries. So it's yeah, more than enough to use for my everyday commute, and of course it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll try and make some more YouTube videos very soon. Thanks.